from the Austin-San Antonio area.
Mr. Sandman, bring me a dream. Make him the cutest that I've ever seen. Give him two lips like roses and clover. Then tell him that
You're listening to the Santa Barbara radio of the California area. This radio megahertz is on 162.000 megahertz from the Santa Barbara San Luis Obispo area. East weekly tests are about on 10 p.m. on Wednesdays. The National Weather Service in Santa Barbara has issued an earthquake watch for the following counties: Santa Barbara County and San Luis Obispo County. Until 12 p.m. the National Weather Service has issued an earthquake for the areas. This earthquake warning is issued because a tectonic plate could hit another tectonic plate. This is expected to hit around 5:30 or 6:30. Repeat, National Weather Service has issued an earthquake for the areas. This earthquake warning is issued because a tectonic plate could hit another tectonic plate. This is expected to hit around 5:30 or 6:30. Until now this is not confirmed to be true, so now don't worry, please stay tuned until further information. The National Weather Service in Santa Barbara has issued an earthquake warning for Santa Barbara and San Luis Obispo. Until earthquake is over you need to wait. Never mind, the earthquake has now reached for all of California. Until this massive earthquake is over, please stay in a safe area, cover yourself with your hands, and if you're outdoors stay in a dense grass area and watch out for your surroundings. If you're indoors, do not stay in a tall part in a house or a building. Get to the lowest part of a building. For people in a house, if you are in a second-story building and on the second-story floor in your house, get to the bottom of your house. In a tall building, get out of the building and go to somewhere safe. For people without a home, go to your nearest shelter. Do not stay in the tall building, cause when this earthquake hits you will be crushed by the building.
You are watching Fox 5, local Las Vegas. As of now, there was an earthquake in California, the entire state. It is unknown of what happened, but we'll get right to the news in a minute. This is the state of California, and as of now, we're not in California, we're in Nevada. But an earthquake hit there recently, which caused a massive thing. A bunch of tectonic plates hit up together, which caused this massive earthquake in the state. So this might end at Florida as a line of earthquake would hit. So don't worry, as it's not confirmed to be true. Now we will turn you to some news at the forecast.
Tri-Zone. With my Ozempic Tri-Zone, I lowered my A1C, CV risk, and lost some weight.
In studies, the majority of people reached an A1C under 7 and maintained it. Ozempic.
This is a local access emergency. There's an earthquake coming to us in 30 seconds. Take cover now. Go to a sturdy floor in your house now. Hurry.
Well, the lice lady's booked up for weeks. Big epidemic at the Cub Scout Jamboree. She says the only thing we can do is shave our heads.
Ding! Better idea. As an exterminator, I will take steps to spare us the shame of hairlessness. A mixture of malathion and lindane. Fairly harmless, according to the government, which has been squirting it at you for most of your life.
Dang it, Dale, I don't like the whole head-shaving thing either, but...
Yep! Get lost, Bill! Observe. Simple enough? Huh. And tingling. And burning. Itching, burning. And blindness. Intense burning. Hank, get your hose.
The National Weather Service in New Mexico has issued an earthquake warning for New Mexico until 12:30 p.m. The earthquake warning has been issued from the National Weather Service after it hit all of the states of California and Arizona. These earthquakes seems to be a line spreading from California and ending at Florida, but the number of U.S. got bigger, turning into a 9.1 magnitude earthquake. Until it hits, beware of debris falling down. Take cover now. The time to expect it to hit is 2 minutes. Get under a table or something sturdy. When it reaches the 30-second time, you need to prepare, cause once it hits 0, the earthquake hits, it will cause bad things to hit and cause massive destruction, and debris will fall on you. Prepare now for your safety. Protect your family.
Do not go away. This is an important message from the government of Texas. For the past few days, an earthquake known as the megaquake has reached out to a line that will stop at Florida. Scientists has discovered that once it ends at Florida, the line will be cut off and will let us float away and might flood. We have an earthquake hitting us soon. There is nothing to do to make it stop. Our only option is to hope it will stop. Stay strong, America. The news will get better soon.
This is President Obama. Over the past few days, a line of tectonic plates went into alignment, causing destroying all of the entire states. Now it's hitting Louisiana. The magnitude of this earthquake is 4.5 magnitude. Earthquake is an old precedent. I have to say this earthquake, when it reaches Florida, the line will split the states in half and cause it to break up. The USA do this, the line of those states will cause to break up and flood.
Sir Obama, the earthquake is hitting.
Wait, what? Sheety down.
But what a boring world that would be. Individual SUVs for individuals. Imagine that. Get offers on select models at the Lexus Golden Opportunity Sales Event.
This is an EASE activation. Listen to the alert, it might save your life. The EASE will start soon. The National Weather Service in Mississippi has issued an earthquake warning for Mississippi until the earthquake ends. At 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, an earthquake was spotted after an earthquake in Louisiana. The earthquake hit Louisiana. Now it's hitting Mississippi. The earthquake has not hit it yet, but it will soon before it starts. Listen to some tips to survive. Go to a lowest point in a sturdy building. Go under a sturdy object like a table. Say if you're outside, the earthquake line will come under and your death is already confirmed. When the earthquake is over, look for any survivors, injured people, dead people, any injured people you should look for. First aid kit, police station, fire department, or a hospital. If you cannot find any of those, take that person into your home to keep them safe. At this time, prepare now. The earthquake is about to hit. Prepare now before it hits. After this earthquake, do not hesitate to call for help. Phone lines will be cut due to the debris. Many cellar towers might be collapsed. At this time, go now. Take cover now. The earthquake will hit. Go now. Hurry, take cover. The National Weather Service in Alabama has issued an earthquake warning for Alabama until the earthquake ends. At 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, an earthquake was spotted after an earthquake in Louisiana. The earthquake hit Mississippi. Now it's hitting Mississippi. The earthquake has not hit it yet, but it will soon before it starts. Listen to some tips to survive. Go to a lowest point in a sturdy building. Go under a sturdy object like a table. Say if you're outside, the earthquake line will come under and your death is already confirmed. When the earthquake is over, look for any survivors, injured people, dead people, any injured people you should look for. First aid kit, police station, fire department, or a hospital. If you cannot find any of those, take that person into your home to keep them safe. At this time, prepare now. The earthquake is about to hit. Prepare now before it hits. After this earthquake, do not hesitate to call for help. Phone lines will be cut due to the debris. Many cellar towers might be collapsed. At this time, go now. Take cover now. The earthquake will hit. Go now. Hurry, take cover.
One solved, $1 million. Ladies and gentlemen, Pat Sajak and Vanna White.
Is this another season? Wow. Thank you. Thanks, everybody. Have you met our new wedge?
I have not.
Say hi to Nana. There you go. Hi, Dad. Good to see you all. And welcome to Wheel of Fortune's 26th season. Now, to kick things off, we've added something new to the wheel. The chance to win $1 million.
The National Weather Service in Atlanta has issued an earthquake warning for the following counties: Macon, Atlanta, and all of Atlanta. Until the earthquake ends, the National Weather Service has issued an earthquake warning. At 8:30 yesterday, a massive earthquake hit Alabama, and now it is gonna hit us. You need to prepare now. Go into a sturdy room in a sturdy building. Do not go into a top of a building. If you do that, you will fall to your demise. Go under a sturdy object like a table or a bed or any object you think is safe and sturdy. Do not stand outside where the earthquake is likely to hit. If you do that, you will die, and get indoors into a safe place. If you stay outdoors, your death is likely. Do not stay next to the power lines when they fall. If you do, you will die by electricity. Now go take cover now. This channel will now be ceased.